Today we're going to be discussing how to create a thesis with this thesis organizer. We've done this before in the past, but it was a long time ago, so I'm going to do a refresher. You need to begin with your thesis with your topic and how you feel about that topic. For the purpose of this research, I decided to look at westward expansion, which is very similar to the Oregon Trail, just like you're learning about in social studies. So my topic is westward expansion. In your box, you should insert your topic. So we're going to begin with your topic. The next step is to tell what you think about that topic. Some of you, it's going to be about the causes or the effects, or the comparison from then to now, or important people or battles. In this case, I'm researching the effects of something. So I'm going to say that westward expansion affected many people. This is my opinion. It cannot be proven right or wrong because it is my opinion. It is my job to prove that I am right. So I'm going to list 3 reasons why I think westward expansion affected many people, or how it was affected. So, my first reason, based on our discussions with Liddy and my research, is that westward expansion affected the economy and trade with many people. So I'm going to say that westward expansion, it affected trade and the economy. In the next box, I'm going to put the second reason why I think that westward expansion affected many people. I think, based on our discussion with Native Americans and how I became a ghost, that Native Americans were very much affected by westward expansion. So I'm going to say that it affected Native Americans. I need to come up with a third reason. Based on our discussion with Nightjohn and the slaves, I'm going to say that westward expansion affected slavery, or slaves. Again, this is based off of my previous knowledge, as well as what I gained while researching for my introduction. It is your opinion, and our research will help us support that opinion. The last step for my thesis is to write the final sentence. Remember, a thesis is one sentence, so we need to combine these 4 boxes into one box. We're going to do that by eliminating extra words. So if you notice, in all 3 boxes, I say affected. So there's no point in saying it again. So I'm going to begin with my topic, westward expansion affected the economy through trade, Native Americans, and slaves. That becomes one sentence. So instead of repeating each sentence, I've created one with commas. This becomes the last sentence of your introduction and should go in the thesis spot on both your introduction outline as well as your introduction on the computer. This is the sentence that you write. If you have any questions, feel free to ask or contact me through email.